Did you know that you can make your big bow tie in less than an hour? Today's tutorial will be teaching you on how to cut this and on how to sew it to make your own big bow tie. Hi, my name is decor and you're welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you're seeing this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, also like and share if you find this helpful. So I have this material for the bow tie. It's the leftover piece for the style I actually made. Now I have this fabric. It's a rectangle fabric, and this is length 27 by 45. So I folded it into two, and that's what we're going to use. So I'll be using this as my length, and then I'll be using this as my width, right? So that means if I gather it, this is what I will have. I want you to see what it looks like. If I gather it, this is what I will have. So the first thing first that we're going to do is we're going to sew this edge. You know this other plate is already folded, so we're going to sew this edge. And you can iron ST or iron paper stick. You can iron something an interface to give it weight. So I'll iron interface here, and then I'll sew this edge close. Now this one is already sorted out. Now for this one, I want to cut the band. So let me think of the length, because the dress I'm attaching it to is a short dress, and I don't want the length of the band so long. So for this we have 36. Let me fold this into two. Let me see. Okay. It should give me what I want, because I don't want the band so long. You can make yours longer, but for me, I don't want the band so long. So I'll fold this into two. I'll fold this into two like this. So I folded this into two, right? And over here we have 6.5. So when you open it, it's 13, but so when you open it, it's 12. I'll go ahead to cut it. The length here is 36. The length is not long. You can make yours longer if you want yours, but the gown I'm actually making is a very short dress, so I'm attaching it to the dress. So I'll go ahead to cut this out. So you see, I folded it into two. Now, when you fold it into two, I folded it into two again. So I want to cut this edge to make here smaller. So I will have here smaller than the down part. And then for the down part, I want it to have like a shape. So you see, I created it as a shape. And then I'll go ahead to like sew both sides, because I'm going to the machine. So let me open here. So I will sew all the sides closed. And at this point, I'll just leave like about 2 inch to bring it out. I'll go ahead to sew it. This is a crepe fabric. So this is a crepe fabric. And also I will iron something here to give it weight. So this is it. I've joined for the rope. Now see the opening. I told you that you leave some opening. So you leave some opening to join it together. So this opening now, I'll slightly sew it. Just so wait ahead to iron paper stick. So this is the opening that I have. This opening. So I'll try to bring everything out from this opening.
So you go ahead to start pleating it, like you're pleating it all over like this. So you get this thread, it's to sew like a sewing thread, and just watch what I'm doing, right? You want to pleat it to form your bow tie. Just follow the process as what I'm doing. So you get your thread and use your thread to like tie it. So after doing that, you get the rope, you make it equal, and then you use the rope to cover the thread. So the what we are trying to do is to sew this behind the bow tie. So you use it to cover it properly. If after sewing you don't like it to show plain like this, you can put trimming to like cover it up. So you go to the sewing machine, you just close it, you just to sew it to put two of them together and sew it like that. So this is what you're going to have. It's going to be so beautiful, and then your bow tie is already ready to be added to the dress. So this is what it's looking like. I'll show you how it looks like when I added it to the dress. This is how gigantic it actually looks like. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, bye.